Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. For an up-to-date list of available machines, please visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we also have 50 plus additional machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a late model Oakley H-660 dual-sided oscillating edge sander. This is a very unusual machine because of its condition. This is the original paint on this machine and it has not been touched up. You can see the original grind marks in the tables and the platens. Now, it's not perfect, as we did find a repair on the tensioning arm, a small wear spot on one of the tables. There's some crazing in the drive drum. So the sander is not perfect. However, if you really look it over, and if you were to walk up to it and look at the tables and all the mechanical parts, you could tell that this machine has seen limited use. Again, just a really nice example of an H-660. If we come to the back of the machine, you're going to find that 7.5 horsepower main motor. It's the most desirable motor size for this type of sander. The oscillation, on the other hand, is handled by a separate 1/3 horsepower motor located in the rear bottom portion of the machine. You do have 60.5-inch wide platens by 9 inches tall. This machine does take 8-inch tall abrasives. We did replace the graphite. What's really nice about this machine is that it does have the graphite stretchers. They are complete. A lot of times they're just missing pieces or gone altogether and the graphite is just glued to the platens. But in this case, we do have the stretchers. Again, that is nice to find. The side tables are 62 inches wide by a little over 11 inches deep. They both do have a backstop. Obviously, it is removable. If we come in and loosen these tables up real fast, the table locks. You're going to see that everything moves nice and freely. I'm using one hand to raise and lower these tables. A lot of times they're frozen up, and really what it is you have to remove the grease and the dust from your ball screws and all your slides. We always pull the tables and buff everything out to make sure that it functions as it should. When you come to the end table, the same thing. I mean, we have, again, cleaned this whole ball screw and all of the slides, so it does simply move up and down with one hand. This is your lock. We're going to come in and start the machine real fast. Your right hand starter here. This is going to control the sander. Left hand is for oscillation. Really nice, smooth running machine. We're going to give you some views of the platens before we put the graphite on. Again, just a really strong grind showing through, showing mild use. Obviously, there's the new graphite applied to that front side platen. And the same with the rear table. Just a really, really strong grind marks present in both the platen and in the tables. Again, not perfect, but I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10 from what we've seen over the years of Oakley's, I mean, we'd give it a good 8.5, 9 out of 10. Last but not least, here's a rear view of this Oakley H-660. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.